Are you struggling to publish your React app into GitHub like what I have done here? Don't worry. At the end of this video, you will learn how to publish your React app into GitHub. You just need to follow a few simple steps on how to publish your React app into GitHub. First of all, you should have a React app by now. Open a project folder in the command line. Once you have opened your project folder in the command line, you just need to install a package called ghpages. Type the command npm -pages to install it. Give it a few seconds to install. Once installed, we can move to the next step. Open up your GitHub account. Create a new repository. Once you have created your repository, you just need to remember two fields. One is your account name and the another one is your repository name. We just need these two fields in the next step. Now we can move to the text editor. Open up the package.json file. Here you need to add an additional field called homepage just under the name, and its value is gonna be an URL. Here https:// after that you have to type in your account name. In my case it is shivaraj65 dot github.io slash and now your repository name. Mine is react demo. Add a semicolon at the end, and inside the scripts we need to add two more scripts called pre-deploy and deploy. Just copy which I have typed here. Once you have made these changes, save the file. Open up the command prompt. Here we need to initialize the git and we have to commit all the changes so far what we have made in the project. So now I have committed my project. Now we need to link our local git to the GitHub. Go to the git repository and copy the HTTPS path. So once you have copied, move to the command line. Now you need to type the command git remote add origin and the path which is copied. Now type the command git push origin master to commit all the changes to the master branch. Give it some time to upload. So now we have backed up all the data from our local device to the GitHub. Now all we have to do is publish our website. To publish our website, we have to type the command npm run deploy. Give it a few minutes for the GitHub to publish your website. So once the process is over, move to the GitHub page. In your repository, move to the settings and find the tab pages. Click on this link to view your web page. That's it. With the help of few basic steps, you just published your React app into GitHub. This is NCD and thank you for watching. Please don't forget that big red button near my channel name. Thank you again.